So I'm here on 302 and there's a car on fire. Wondering if everybody's out. Holy shit. Wicked. Yo, that car is on fire. Like real shit. Shit just happened. Damn. That's a Nissan Altima. Holy shit. Looks like everybody was out in the car when I passed by. So I think everybody's okay. That's wicked. And this one's gonna go ahead and pass by like he's fucking a smart one. Holy shit. And look at this Publix truck. He's about to fucking do some crazy shit too. Yeah. Smart move. Got people over here. Wicked. The wires must have just got crossed. I don't want to stand too close. I think I'm close enough. This shit finna go viral. Here come the popo. Y'all need to move that car. Go on, turn around, take the next road. Road's closed. Road's closed. There they are, police doing their job. Here in the 305. There it is. I guess I'm close enough. I mean, far enough, because he ain't saying nothing to me. This is real shit, yo. I mean, it's sad, but damn, bro. Talk about some footage. This shit finna go viral. Anyways, that car is finna fucking burn to the ground, and I don't want to be around when that shit happens. They're letting cars still pass by. Oh shit. I'm out this bitch. What? They're coming to fucking fire department. Go 16. Nothing else to see here, but just a bunch of traffic. It's your boy Spartacus coming at you in real time. Nissan Altima catch fire. Hold on. Hold on. Oh man, that was wicked. I think he's gonna flip when he sees this.